I don't really know what day we're on. I've been terrible at videos. I'm gonna go with 31 because I like that number. So the drywall guy obviously has everything hung, except for this. We're still waiting for an HVAC. We're running another HVAC up on the unit up there, so he has that cut out sitting over there, but he's got his first coat of the compound on everything. It's looking good. He's also cleaned up our cabinet soffit thing, whatever that is. He's done a lot of really good work in here. So this whole unit is nice, fresh, clean, not rotten, moldy drywall, which is a big upgrade. And then, so the entranceway. And then Elizabeth and I, the last few days, have been up in this room doing all sorts of things. So I'm not going to remember half of what we did, but Elizabeth fixed some ceiling patches, did a lot of caulking and more painting on the trim. Got a new cabinet in there to match. Painted all the hardware for the cabinets. I'm missing most of the things she's been doing. What I've been doing in here is gutting and prepping this, trying to figure out how to seal off a window inside of a bathtub where the water is going to be spraying pretty much right on it. I also had to figure out, I had to rewire this whole thing, put a GFCI in there. I also just put in a GFCI in the kitchen, got that done. And in this room, where I was at most of the day, I had to run a couple new circuits in the panel, so I had to cut that off. I got my dryer outlet, my stove outlet, and all of my washer plumbing all done. So that's what I've been in here most of the time. I had to rewire a couple things in there because they were wired wrong. Like I said, I know I'm missing things because it's been like 5 days since I've done a video. Elizabeth fixed a break in this sink. I dropped it. So she fixed that and many other things, but this is where we're at now. So we're officially going with day 31.